What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt Doheny, and today I want to share with you my 5-step process on how I set up my photo shoots. So stick around with the video and let me show you how I do it, shall we? Alright guys, how's it going? Again, my name is Matt Doheny, and if you're new to this channel, I am a studio photographer based in downtown Los Angeles. Today I wanted to share with you my 5 steps on how I get ready for my photo shoots. It's fairly simple, so follow along. So the first thing you want to do is get a concept in line. The way I like to do this is either go to Instagram, Pinterest, or Google and start getting a collection of images together. The things I look for is lighting patterns, I look for style, I look for mood, I look for emotion. I bring all these things together to lay out my plan. I'm essentially making a mood board, so when I put a team together, they know what my vision is and they can help you move it along. So the second step is location. Now, depending on your concept, you're either gonna be on location or in studio. If you wanna go on location, there's something you need to know. Most places require a permit to shoot. Now, if you're shooting for a client, I definitely recommend getting a permit. If you're doing a personal shoot, it's good to get a permit. I don't sometimes. You know, I'm not recommending you do that, but you know, sometimes I just guerrilla shoot it and you know, you get away with it 9 times out of 10. I have been stopped a few times, does kind of suck. I usually kind of give them, oh, I'm a student, and they kind of let me go. So if you want to use that, if you ever get caught, you're a student, you didn't know any better, don't get caught next time, get a permit. So the third thing is create a team. After you have your concept laid out and your location laid out, you want to start to put together a team. What you're looking for is a makeup artist, a stylist, a model, and maybe an assistant. All these things are great to have on a photo shoot because it takes a lot of the burden off you. Like most photographers, we're not really makeup artists. We can get by with style, and it's hard to be our own photo assistant. So when you have other people on your team, it just takes all these tasks off your plate and helps you focus on the imagery. There are a lot of great places to find these people. I love The Hub, that's hub.com. There's a lot of great talent and resources on there. There's Model Mayhem, and then there's Instagram, of course. You don't just go out and DM people. Do the whole Gary Vee thing, you know, just hit them with the DMs. Just keep doing it until you find the people you need. It's really not that hard in today's age. There's a lot of resources out there on the internet, and there's a lot of people willing to make content, so you shouldn't really have too hard of a time putting a team together. Number 4 is production day and equipment list. So on your production day, you need to have a call sheet. This call sheet has a list of everything that people need, which is location, times, and other people's contact information just in case something happens and everyone can get in contact with each other. A call sheet is a great thing to send out before the shoot. It really makes everything organized and it shows your level of professionalism. And then you also need your equipment list. So depending on your concept, you might need extra equipment. So be sure to map out what you need in order to achieve the concept that you've laid out. And number 5 is post-production. Usually I like to give people a timetable on when I'm gonna get them the images by, whether 2 weeks, a month, depending on your workload. Let everyone know the timeline is going to be so you can give them the images in an appropriate amount of time. I have definitely lagged on sending people images before. No one's happy about it. So learn from my mistakes. Make sure you get your images out there on time. And also, on post-production, if you're not that great at editing, there are a lot of great resources out there where you can outsource things. So send it out there, you have to pay a few extra dollars, but the images come back edited, looking clean, and you're good to go. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Those are my 5 steps on how to set up for your next photo shoot. If you're curious about anything or you have any more questions, please feel free to comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you want to see some of my work, you can check it out at dohenyphoto.com. And also check out my Instagram. I upload my photos with lighting diagrams so you guys can see how I light my things if you're interested in that kind of thing. I like to teach and give out the knowledge that I've learned, so I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and I can catch you guys in the future. Thanks for stopping by and I'll catch you later.